Phrasal verbs practice. Using common phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are very important for natural English speaking. They combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today, we practice the most common ones used every day. Phrasal verbs combine a main verb with a preposition or adverb. This creates a completely new meaning. Verb plus preposition or adverb equals new meaning. They sound natural in everyday English conversation. The particle changes the original verb meaning completely. Break down means stop working suddenly, like a machine or car. Look after means take care of someone or something. Give up means stop trying or quit something. Turn on means start a device or machine, like lights or computer. These are essential for daily conversations. The car broke down on the highway. This means it suddenly stopped working. Can you look after my dog this weekend? This asks someone to take care of the dog. Don't give up on your dreams. This encourages continuing to try. Please turn on the lights. This asks to start the lights. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. This describes getting out of bed in the morning. She picked up her kids from school. This means collected them from school. Let's hang out this weekend. This suggests spending casual time together. We need to check in at the airport. This means register at the desk. I get up early every morning. This means rise from bed. Put on your jacket, it is cold. This means wear clothing. The plane will take off soon. This means leave the ground flying. We are running out of milk. This means almost no milk left. Please fill in the form. This means complete with information. I will call you back later. This means return a phone call. I cannot put up with this noise. This means cannot tolerate it. She came around to our idea. This means change to agree. Complete the sentence. Please turn on the lights. Correct answer is turn on. I need to tidy up my room. Correct answer is tidy up. The meeting will start off at 10. Correct answer is start off. Don't give up on your goals. Correct answer is give up. I need to clean up my room. Correct answer is clean up. She will come up with her ideas. Correct answer is come up with. Please hand in your homework. Correct answer is hand in. I am tired, let's hang out. Correct answer is hang out. Practice daily with complete sentences using phrasal verbs. Use them in real conversations to sound natural. Always learn both the meaning and example sentences together. Review regularly to remember them well.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.